Welcome to Markeflex Gold Research and Trading Institute. Today we are excited to announce that we have added Bitcoin to our technical analysis. The last week's trade in the market, especially on the July 26 gap, opened with around 1989 points. Considering the trade on Monday, the price went up. On the next day, Tuesday, when you see the support line is still live and the price was still high. When you see on the next day, Wednesday, the price was still high. But on Thursday it was a bit ranging and it did not move much, and on the next day, Friday, there was a support break that happened on this candle, but at times you can see it in the later stage as the US market opens, the price tend to fail the support line. Now I'm buying Bitcoin at 39,900. Now my take profit TP is around 42,560 through the measurement. We get to know that is around 2,614 points. If you want to trade Bitcoin with knowledge of technical analysis to become a professional trader, please get in touch with us. We would be happy to help you. Thank you.